Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be emphasizing on the need for you to detox your body. There's a simple way to detoxing. You don't need to go overboard, you don't need to do so much. You can do this in the comfort of your home. And the major ingredient you're going to be using is green tea. Green tea is not just for consumption, it's not just for you to just brew a cup of green tea and just drink. You can also use it in your bath, like brew it while you're having your bath. Either you have a bath where you sit in the bath, or even when you brew it and you just dunk the water on your body. Green tea helps to detox the body, it helps to calm your nerves, it gives the essential vitamins that the body needs, and it can even start from your hair down to your feet. For a woman, if you're trying to grow your hair, if you're trying to ward off or fight dandruff, if you are trying to reduce hair fall or hair loss and you're just trying to grow your hair, green tea is very, very essential for you. You brew your tea or you put your tea in your water while you're having your bath and apply it from your hair down all over your body. Essentially, it gives you necessary vitamins, like I said, and it detoxes your body and it gets rid of all the toxins from your body. So as you're having your bath and you're washing away all the grime, the dust and the dirt, it also helps to remove all the toxins that are in the body, which are internal and you can't see anyway. So you applying green tea to your bath will do your body a whole lot of good. You don't just need to brew the green tea and you drink it, also put it in your bath. So if you want to take your bath, I advise you to take about 5 to 10. Definitely you need a lot of green tea in this place, so you need about 5 to 10 bags of green tea. Don't use black tea, please, just use green tea. Green tea is very, very available. Take about 5 to 10 tea bags of your green tea. Your water needs to be warm at least for the green tea to be diffused, so just put it in there in your water and afterwards have your bath with the green tea water. It's absolutely fine for you. It does not give any side effects. If you even have rashes on your body, it's also going to help to heal the rashes or any other skin ailments you might have. So please kindly comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts about having your bath with green tea, about you applying it to your hair. Like I said, it helps a lot for those that are looking to grow their hair. It helps with hair growth and it completely stops hair fall. Also share this video because it may be helping the next person around you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Tommy's Color Pavilion. Also subscribe to my other channel, the Tommy Adenuga, where I share DIY hacks for you on a daily basis. And also turn on your notification bell because that lets you know when I drop new videos. Till I come your way next time, stay beautiful. Bye.